Today we're taking a first look at the Huawei Watch 5, the latest premium smartwatch from Huawei. Packed with upgrades like a vibrant sapphire display, advanced multi-sensing X-tap sensors, and a sleek design, this watch aims to be a top contender in the wearable space. But is it worth the hype? Let's unbox it, explore its features, and share our initial thoughts. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The unboxing experience is sleek and straightforward, reflecting Huawei's usual minimalist approach. Inside the box, you'll find the Watch 5 itself, a magnetic charging puck for hassle-free power-ups, and the standard paperwork, including a quick start guide. While no extra straps are included, Huawei offers a variety of bands separately, so you can easily switch up the style. The packaging keeps things clean and focused, putting all the attention on the watch right from the start. The one I have here is the 46mm purple color. Huawei Watch 5 sports a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with slim 2.2mm bezels and spherical sapphire crystal glass, which is second to diamond for durability. The screen is sharp, bright, and incredibly responsive, making every swipe and tap feel smooth. The watch itself has a polished aerospace-grade titanium frame, giving it a premium look that works just as well in the gym as it does in a more formal setting. At just 10.5mm thick and around 58 grams, it's lightweight but still feels solid and well built. The included fluoroelastomer strap is soft and comfortable, with a quick release mechanism for easy swapping. Overall, the design strikes a great balance between style and functionality. Once powered on, the Watch 5 runs Huawei's Harmony OS, delivering a fast and intuitive user experience. The always-on display is a convenient feature, allowing you to check the time or notifications at a glance without waking the watch. Fitness tracking stands out as a major strength, offering over 100 workout modes, including groundbreaking outdoor activities like trail running, water sports such as sailing, rafting, and dragon boating, and even freediving up to 40 meters. Golfers will appreciate the inclusion of 5,000-plus preloaded golf courses. Health monitoring is equally impressive, thanks to Huawei's innovative multi-sensing X-tap technology, which provides faster, more accurate, and more convenient health tracking. With the Health at a Glance feature, you can monitor 11 key health indicators in just 1 minute. SpO2 measurements are now quicker too, taking only 10 seconds, a significant improvement over the Watch 4's 25-second reading time. For outdoor enthusiasts, the dual-band sunflower positioning GPS ensures precise location tracking. Battery life is robust, lasting up to 4.5 days with typical use and extending to 11 days in ultra-power saving mode. The watch supports wireless charging, and if you own a compatible Huawei phone, you can even recharge it using reverse charging. Additional features like Bluetooth calling, notifications, and onboard music storage make the Watch 5 a capable standalone device. One of my favorite features is the AI gesture control, which offers a seamless way to interact with your device. By sliding twice, you can browse through options, and with a double tap, you can confirm your selection. Before using this feature, you'll need to enable it in the settings. It works across various functions, including phone calls, alarms, music controls, and even as a remote camera shutter. Additionally, it supports eSIM functionality, allowing you to make or receive calls even when your primary phone isn't nearby. This makes it incredibly convenient for staying connected on the go. Now here's my final thoughts and impression. After spending some time with the Huawei Watch 5, it's clear this is one of the brand's strongest smartwatches yet. The display is gorgeous, the health and fitness features are comprehensive, and the battery life is excellent for a device with this many capabilities. If you're looking for a stylish, feature-packed smartwatch that doesn't compromise on performance, the Huawei Watch 5 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our first look at the Huawei Watch 5. A full in-depth review is coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed to catch that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech reviews. See you next time, take care and stay tuned.